In our fast-moving digital world, staying focused feels like a superpower. But what if I told you that your ability to concentrate isn't just about motivation or discipline? It's deeply connected to how your brain naturally works. Welcome to the world of brainwaves, tiny rhythmic electrical pulses that shape how you think, feel, and focus. Every thought, emotion, or decision you make begins as a flicker of electrical activity between neurons. These brainwaves operate at different speeds, each linked to a specific mental state. Delta waves are the slowest, associated with deep sleep and healing. Theta waves are next, connected to daydreaming, creativity, and meditation. Then we have alpha waves, produced when you're calm but alert, like during a quiet walk or after a deep breath. Beta waves are faster and dominate when you're problem-solving, speaking, or working. Finally, gamma waves, the fastest, are linked to peak mental performance, memory, and learning. Our brain doesn't use one wave at a time. Instead, these waves mix like musical instruments in a band. When you're deeply focused, beta and low gamma waves are leading. But if you're relaxed and open to ideas, alpha takes the front seat. This ever-changing balance is what determines your level of attention, awareness, and focus. Now, let's dig deeper. What part of the brain handles focus? The prefrontal cortex is the command center for attention, decision-making, and self-control. When beta waves increase in this area, your concentration sharpens. But when you're distracted or stressed, your brain might flood with high-frequency activity, overwhelming your circuits and reducing your ability to stay on task. It's like trying to concentrate in a room full of shouting voices. Interestingly, alpha waves play a key role in switching between tasks. They help filter distractions and manage mental transitions smoothly. But here's the catch. Too much stimulation from phones, emails, or social media disrupts this balance. Your brain becomes overloaded, constantly jumping between tasks, and unable to settle into any deep focus. So, how do we bring our brain back into balance? One of the most powerful tools is mindfulness meditation. Just 5 minutes of stillness and breathing can increase alpha activity and reduce stress. It clears mental noise and brings calm clarity. Another method is deep breathing. When you breathe slowly and intentionally, you activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxed attention, perfect for focused work. Then there's biofeedback. With simple tech, you can actually monitor your brainwaves and learn how to adjust them through practice. It's like learning to tune your brain in real time. Over time, you develop greater awareness and control over your focus state. Why does this matter? Because when your brain is in the right wave state, everything becomes easier. You learn faster, solve problems creatively, and retain more information. Studies show that focused brainwave patterns are linked to increased memory retention and mental clarity. It's like putting your brain in performance mode. Think of your attention like a lens. When you train it, you can zoom in with power and precision. And the good news is, this isn't magic, it's trainable. Like lifting weights at the gym, small daily focus exercises make your mental muscles stronger. So, let's recap. Brainwaves are the invisible patterns guiding your ability to focus. Each wave, delta, theta, alpha, beta, and gamma, has a role in shaping your mind. Distractions and stress hijack this natural rhythm, but with the right techniques, like meditation, deep breathing, and biofeedback, you can reset your brain for clarity and performance. Here's your challenge. Pick one practice. Just one. Maybe it's a 5-minute breath session or a phone-free hour each morning. Start small and notice how your mind begins to shift. You'll be amazed how a focused brain can change everything from your productivity to your peace of mind. Your brain is not broken, it's just waiting to be understood. So give it the support it deserves, train it, respect it, and most of all, use it wisely.